Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. My name is Orly Siskovic, and I'm here from Toronto, Canada. I have the privilege and the opportunity to talk and present to you a very special topic of today. It's called integral education. That is actually a topic that will be and is already implemented worldwide in various positions in various organizations. Okay, it includes up to different levels, mostly for the businesses. I would like actually to see how this implementation of integral education can be applied and can be used in different organizations, reach up to the level what is called to one global integrated management system. I would like to ask from our tech team, from our in our studio, actually to show the first slide, and we will move slowly and explain step by step what is the whole idea of integral education, what is the meaning of mutual responsibility, what is the meaning of roundtable workshops, what is the meaning of connection circles. So let's start. Thank you very much. Great opportunity. Okay, so we are talking about global integral education. We understand that we would like to have a better world. We would like to see and we would like to feel that we are considering and each other and helping each other and working together toward the one global connection, what is called a sustainable world and a sustainable universe, that we are able to see, that we are able to reduce the waste, we are able to improve the quality, we are able to actually to work with each other together, much more to listen to each other, work with each other, and continue definitely to the next step of the development and involvement of the humanity. And I believe that the second slide will be able actually to show us what exactly is the meaning. So let's see what is called one global integrated measurement system. So we understand one thing, it's pretty simple. What we have like economic growth, we would like to see sustainable development, we would like to see environmental integrity, and the most important, social equity. And that is social equity, that exactly the bottom line that we would like to reach between us. Because once we will be connected and we will work together as one team, okay, and we collaborate with each other, help each other, communicate with each other, and connect with each other, it will be no questions and no doubt that we will be able to measure our results and see exactly the whole world how it's flourishing and growing and getting better. I believe the next slide will show exactly what is our meaning and how we are going to do it. So I took actually as a quality engineer by trade and the managing and overseeing an operation of 200,000 square feet, a big manufacturing operation here in the Concord facility in Toronto, Canada. I would like actually to touch the ISO standard. ISO, it's an international standardization organization that actually it includes a lot of different and various standards. One of them, for example, it's ISO 9000, deals with quality. ISO 14000, it deals with environment. OHAS 18,000 that recently was changed to ISO 45001 standard for health and safety. We have 1,000 standard what is called ISO 26,000, okay, for social responsibility, and lot of other technical and professional and social standards that were developed in order to make our life much more happier, much more easier, and make it work and allow us to work together with each other much closer and much better. During this presentation, we are going to touch base and touch some of the key items that I would like actually to review with you and actually share with you my experiences. I recently, like 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to run a very interesting project in our facility. Okay, as I mentioned, it's a big manufacturing facility of 200,000 square feet. Okay, and that was a very, very effective and very successful project that is called integral education. Let's see on the next slide how we are made, what was the method and what we applied during this project. Okay, so what is the meaning of quality? As we mentioned, quality, it depends how we are going to define it. The reason being, if you want to get 100% quality, the key criteria for it is mutual responsibility. How we are going to make it? First of all, let's define what is quality. Quality will be defined by the engineers, okay, that quality by design, okay, and by the customer as quality by conformance. So the meaning of it, if we have like an engineering department, okay, that makes the scientific research and the experimental development, we have the engineering prototype, we will create the standards, we will have the specifications, we will have the drawings, we will have the measuring tools and the instruments and everything that is necessary until we are creating the perfect prototype. So we have the first product that we are able to see, that everybody will see it, everybody will like it, everybody will be happy and will be satisfied. But that is only half of the picture. The second half of the picture, it goes much deeper, because the quality is the perception of the customer, the perception of the reality of the customer. For example, if you have, for example, a perfect product, fully designed, manufactured perfectly, precisely, spotless, simply better than perfect. So the meaning of it is that if we have two customers will come to see the same product. One of the customers will like it very much. Okay, what is called, you have never have the second chance to make the first impression. And the second customer will have a look at the product and will tell, you know what, I don't like it. Okay, so we still have to respect, because a customer is a customer. But on the other hand, we have to see and understand that the perception of the customer and to the which extent this product appeals to the customer, that will make the difference. So the meaning, the customer actually affects the quality of the product. Because if I would like to ask a survey from one customer that likes the product and a survey from another customer that does not like the product, you understand that the same product will get two different ratings. And that is what is called perception of the customer, or perception of reality, whatever you will define it, and much more we call it how close I feel, or how close this product or this service will appeal to me. And I believe that the next slide will explain that exactly what we mean. So once again, we are talking about quality, mentioned health and safety, environment. So how we are going actually to get this quality? Quality is actually, it will be a result of our mutual activities that we are working together, okay, that we are willing to cooperate, and we are willing to apply the supplier customer chain. The supplier customer chain, it's like external and internal supplier customer relations. What do you mean? Okay, that we need definitely, we will need the human resources, we will need the materials, we will need the technology, we will need the production, we will need the machinery, we will need everything that actually the whole work environment that surrounds us. But we cannot make it without our suppliers and without our customers. I would like to ask once again to present the previous slide on the quality, if it is called quality is mutual responsibility. And I would like to continue from this point. Thank you. Beautiful. So we will try, for example, take an objective, like objective number 8 out of the standards of the ISO 9001:2015, that was mentioned previously, that dealing with quality is defined as a quality management system. So we are talking about mutually beneficial internal supplier, customer, and social relationships. So the meaning of it, we have really to work together, feel together, cooperate together, and collaborate together in order to get this product 100% quality and have the customer happy. A typical organization, if they have the suppliers and they have the customers, and we are talking about the interdependent and mutually beneficial relationship that enhances the ability to create value. So the meaning of it, our supplier, our customer, our operation, and our people, we are working together, make actually an added value. What is added value? The benefit to the supplier, benefit to the customer, and benefit to the society. And that's exactly our main goal. I would like to continue for the last part for this slide. So inspiring, encouraging, and recognizing improvements and achievements by suppliers, it will be very, very, very important and key part in our process. Reason being, without the suppliers, we do not have the materials and we do not have the products. Without the contractors, we will not have the services, everything that we need in order to maintain and develop and improve our products, processes in our facility, and definitely our business. Because by the end of the day, okay, we know that profit and loss, that is the bottom line, okay, and we understand that the winners are the profitable companies, and all the rest is definitely, it's self-explanatory. Let's go to the slide of the health and safety. Okay, it's a previous one, please. Okay, so health and safety, quality, and environment. So integral education, that is actually the method how we are going to implement and how we are going to reach 100% quality, what is called customer satisfaction. Because integral education, it's a method for cross-training to teach the method how to connect people. So the meaning of it, if you would like really to reach not only connection or communication or collaboration, connection can be achieved only in one way. The one way, it can be what is called through integral education. And the prosperous business work environment is built based on social connections. Why is it? Because if we are cooperating together, we are listening to each other, we are helping each other to succeed, and we are creating an environment that will be a positive environment to reach the best quality result, that exactly is the point where we'll be. And that is the guarantee for our success and the development of the business. We would like actually to continue to see once again the slide, please. So the one global integrated quality management system is based on economical relations. Economical relations, I believe that everybody has it on a daily basis. You are going to the grocery shop, you are going to buy something, you are a service provider, or you are a user, or a customer, or end user, whatever role you are going to do, doesn't matter what, by the end of the day, we have one global integrated management system that all of us are interdependent, and all of us actually working together to make the best relations. And you know what? By the end of the day, this economical development and this economical relations will dictate our level of life. So the quality of our life, the quality of our relations, and everything that you would like to enjoy and be happy, that exactly the key point to achieve it. Let's see on the next slide how we are going to make it. So quality, it starts from me to we to one. The basic concept, you can see it actually is a hierarchy of needs of Maslow, okay, based, and you can see they would like to see the shelter, and we have to love our belongings, and we'd like to have the self-esteem. But the most important, if you would like to see that the nature is sustainable and flourishing, and where actually everybody is happy, the happiness goes up to the top, okay, and the peak point, okay, that we have the sunshine and the balance with nature. Because when we are coming to this point, and we would like to apply the laws of nature, the only one way to do it, that we as humanity will be able to work together in full harmony together as nature, that we are able not only to take, but we will be able to give also. And here is the start exactly what we are calling here the extra mile. Okay, you have to do what you have to do, you have your responsibilities, you have your authorities, but if you are going to make one step further, what is called the extra mile, the benefit will be not only for you, but the whole society, the organization, and the whole world, and the whole humanity. And that is the whole idea. Okay, let's take to the next slide. Okay, so quality. Quality is called mutual relations. What is a mutual relations? Exactly what we described until now. I had a great opportunity, okay, to see and read this amazing book, what is called The Benefits of the New Economy, that was actually written by Dr. Michael Lightman, okay, and then the team of friends that actually explains in the very, very simple and very straightforward words how we are able to achieve this fulfillment, how we are able to achieve, how we are able to grow and make our society better, and how we are able to help each other to succeed. Because by the end of the day, your success is my success, and my success is your success. So here the whole mutual help and helping each other and working together and developing on the next level, that is the most important part. And definitely this book was a very valuable resource, okay, for this presentation also. Okay, so why social connections? As we mentioned before, social connections, that is actually the connection between people on all levels in all disciplines. It can be on the government level, it can be on federal, provincial, any other levels that we have, and as a company, business, government, whatever you will consider. But if the world today is in crisis, and we can see like different issues, if we can show the slide, please, on the society, issues with the economy, issues with the environment, issues with health and safety, definitely. And education, I believe that the main portion of education, integral education, will bring and will resolve all the issues that we have today. Because once we have good relations, we are able to continue and we can work together. And the next slide, definitely we are going to demonstrate how we are going to make it. So here we are coming to the secret of our presentation. And what is the secret? Is engagement. Engagement is called round table workshops. Round table workshops is a very unique and special methodology that actually explains a very simple principle. At the round table, all of us, we are equal, Everybody has the right to express their opinion. We are not interfering or we are not negating each other. Most importantly, we are helping each other. And not furthermore, if somebody has an idea, we are adding on one by one. We are coming together. We are helping each other, and we try to help and build up something new in a new elevated platform. That will be our next objective or target of the company to become better. And the feeling, it will be completely different, because once we are able to have together a good, create a very harmonious feeling and a common objective target that we are able to decide on it together as one, that exactly will bring us to be better in our marketplace. We will be able to provide a better product, a better service, and to serve the environment and the society much better, and definitely to contribute to the whole world wellness as we intend to do. And the second part of this slide that we have, as we mentioned before, on the same slide, we have the teamwork. As a teamwork, it's actually expressed what is the meaning of connecting together as one. So if we are connecting together as one, remember all the time, the key secret, round table workshops and connection circles. That will be the method how to achieve it. Bottom line, connection. Next slide will explain how we are going to go. So we can see here just a simple example how the nature is harmonious. Just have a look on it, how beautiful it is. You just have a look on it and you already have pleasure. That should be exactly the level that we should attain among ourselves in our workplace, in our society, in our world, in order to keep really and feel that each of us is our friend. It's our neighbor, it's our family, and we will treat exactly the same everybody as you would like to treat yourself. Let's see the next slide. So integral education summary. So quality, if you would like to have 100% quality, you are going for connected for good. Okay, or what is in short, C4G. If you want to care, okay, so please care about your family, about your friends, about the society. If you remember to have, if you would like, and to reach one integral society that the whole world will enjoy it, okay, so start from me to we and reach to one, that all of us we will feel as one. And that's why I would like to take the opportunity to have express many thanks to the Arvut College in Israel that helped me to put together this presentation. Okay, so I believe that we are pretty much summarized everything. So I would like to take the opportunity and tell you and wish you all the best. And I would like to appreciate our tech teams that helped me and supported me, okay, to create this presentation. And thank you very much to all. Enjoy a beautiful day, okay? And don't forget, most important, we are connected as one. Thank you. Bye-bye.